Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the design coffee table round stainless steel set, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I mean, let's be real, if you're in the market for a coffee table that's gonna make all your friends jealous, this might just be the one. I've seen some pretty sleek designs out there, but the way this thing looks, it's like something straight out of a design magazine. This product is really for anyone who wants to level up their living room game. Whether you're a busy professional or a family mom trying to keep everything tidy, this coffee table has got your back. The idea that it can be stretched out between 18 feet, talk about flexibility. That's the kind of practicality I love. Now, let's dive into some of the features that make this thing really stand out. One thing that caught my eye is how durable it feels. You might be thinking, what does that even mean? Well, essentially, it means you don't have to worry about scratches or dings in a million years. It's like a tank, but with style. Another feature I love is the warm light color treatment they've got going on here. It gives the whole thing this luxurious vibe that just makes you want to linger around the coffee table for hours. Plus, it's still super easy to clean, so you don't have to worry about it getting all grimy and gross. The storage space under the TV cabinet is also seriously impressive. I mean, we've all been there where you're scrambling around trying to find a place to stash your remotes or whatever else you need to keep out of sight. This thing's got you covered. I was a bit skeptical at first about how it would work with my existing furniture setup, but so far, so good. The shelves are super versatile and can be set up however you want them. I've even used it to stash some books or magazines when I need a little extra storage space. Of course, no product is perfect, and there were a few things that bugged me about this one. Sometimes the glass feels just a bit too slick for my taste, not sure if that's just me being old school, but it did take a bit to get used to. Also, the slate material can be a bit chilly to touch, so it might not be the best choice for anyone who loves snuggling up on their couch with a warm drink. Overall, though, I'm really impressed with this coffee table. It's got all the right features, and it's just plain pretty. If you're in the market for something that'll make your living room shine, this might be worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you've had any experience with similar products. I'd love to hear about them.